Okay, so I wanted to give you a peek inside of So Align Automation so you know exactly which automations that you will be receiving. So one of the first automations on here is going to help you create your first simple product funnel, your first automation. This is perfect if you're just getting started. It's also amazing for you if, especially right now as of this recording, it's during the holiday season. So if you want to run a Black Friday sale or a Christmas bundle, this automation is absolutely perfect for that. And with each automation, all you're simply going to do, when I say just one click, I mean it. So save to your ManyChat. And I also am going to walk you through how I have it set up so that way you can make any adjustments for yourself. And I also give you a step-by-step guide because I know some of you would rather look at the step-by-step guide. For me personally, I like watching videos, but I love having like a checklist as well, especially if I'm making any changes. But again, you're just going to plug and play this automation into your system, and then you could just make any tweaks on there. The next automation that you'll receive is actually a PDF guide automation. So this is perfect if you are offering them like a free PDF or even if you're selling like a guide, okay? So anything where it's like maybe a workbook or something along those lines where you're having someone really opt into that, this one is perfect. Again, save to your ManyChat dashboard. I walk you through that as well as a step-by-step guide and opt-in. So that way you can have like a checklist for yourself. You are going to love the next one. So this one, again, you are copying my most popular video opt-in. That means that this is that, remember I talk about the post that went, for me, viral, but it really took off for me. And basically this is the ManyChat sequence that I now have set up for that video opt-in. And so you can copy again this onto your ManyChat. I give you a walkthrough of it, and then I show you exactly how you can set that up and implement it directly into your business. The next one is setting up your paid workshop automation. So basically this one, you're going to be duplicating my vision workshop. So I hosted a workshop last year this year in January, where it was a paid workshop, and notice this one's more robust. Anything that's paid, it's going to be a more robust system. You're going to notice that there's a lot more options on there for them. You get to save that onto your ManyChat. This bot is so smart because it even does the down selling for you. Someone decides not to move forward with the paid workshop. It's like, okay, amazing. Here are some other options that I can offer you. I mean, this bot is absolutely brilliant. It is basically like you in the DMs doing the selling for you. But I can't wait for you to plug this into your business, especially if you have a paid workshop. And of course, it comes with a guide. The next automation, I mean, these bots, every single one of them, I have really built them out in depth. So this is my highest converting automation within my business as of this recording, which is November of 2024. So you're going to plug and play my highest converting automation into your business. You may have actually seen this post. It is for my abundance. So you're going to save that onto ManyChat. It walks you through the entire process. Right? Because on there's an offer. There's an offer inside of this automation. And so anytime there is an offer on there, then it's going to be a bit more robust because it's going to ask your bot is going to ask them prompting questions, just like you would in a natural sales conversation that you're having in the DMs. When I say I built these bots to be super smart and to do the selling for you so you can have automated sales, I wasn't kidding, okay? They are absolutely brilliant. So this is my exact automation right now that is outperforming any of my other code words. As of this recording, again, it is November 2024. And so you can go ahead and download the step-by-step guide as well. So again, one click. So when I say one click, put it into your business, I wasn't kidding. One click, it puts it right into your business. I walk you through the sales psychology, the buyer process, why I have it set up the way I do. So that way you can plug and play it directly into your business and you have the step-by-step guide. And finally, oh my word, you are going to love this. This is my most advanced sales automation bot. This is for anyone. So remember, I said my highest converting funnel right now. So this is a freebie. Okay. So when someone comes here, this one here, they actually are opting in and it takes them to a workshop, right? Basically, like some people, it might be a VSL, whatever that may be. But basically, it is a workshop that they're opting into. And then I take them through the buyer's experience. This one, however, you're going to love this. If you have a paid product that you want to put out there and you want your bot to sell for you, this is the ManyChat bot that is going to do that. You save this again to your ManyChat. I walk you through the entire process. Every single, it takes into account if someone goes to your page and they click on it, but they don't buy. So instead of you being in a DM conversations like, hey, just checking in, it's like, no, you have data points. Like this bot, like if you were to save this onto your ManyChat right now, you go through each of this bot is so brilliant. It literally has different data points. It lets you know someone clicked on the website and didn't buy. Okay, what do you do then? You don't have to do anything. Your bot will pick it up. It's going to have the natural sales conversations in your DMs selling for you. This is my most advanced, most robust sales bot automation. And I am so excited to get this in your hands. And it also, of course, has a step-by-step guide for you as well. But just how much time freedom you're going to have from having that your time back to be with your family, to be present with them, to go travel, to spend time with your partner, whatever it is that you deeply desire, and knowing that you're going to have real automated sales because you have a bot that is going to be doing the selling for you. And so I am so excited to be able to get this into your hands. As I mentioned before, you probably heard me say it. I have spent the last 10 months figuring it out. How do I take my natural DM sales conversation, plug it in to a system, into a bot, handing it off, so that way I can be with my family. That way for you can be with your family, your partner, going on adventures, traveling, whatever it is that you desire. And I am so excited to see you skyrocket your sales and have automated sales coming in 24/7 for you. All right, friends, I hope to see you inside of Soul Aligned Automations for daily sales.